everyone. I am Anita Singh, Faculty of Social Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. Dear students, today I'll explain you the topic They Make Us Proud. So let's begin. There have been some people who have worked hard in the field of medicine, science and technology, and some have made us proud in the field of art, literature and music. They had different qualities as individuals, but they had some qualities in common. They all were very hardworking and sincere. They took up responsibilities and did their best. They were selfless and thought about everybody. Let's know about some great inspiring Indians whose efforts have made a difference in our lives. Sushruta was a great surgeon during ancient times. He is called the father of plastic surgery. He is believed to have performed plastic surgery of the nose and ears. He could remove cataracts by operating upon the eyes of his patients, even in those days. He had deep knowledge of the medicinal plants used for treating diseases. Sushruta Samhita is a book written by him. Charaka was a great physician. He lived about 2000 years ago. He is the author of Charak Samhita, in which he described the process of digestion. He also wrote about diseases, their symptoms and diagnosis. He laid emphasis on hygiene and the role of medicinal plants while treating a disease. In his book, Charaka also talked about the responsibilities of a doctor and how a doctor should conduct himself or herself when dealing with patients. Aryabhatta was a great astronomer and mathematician. He studied the stars with great accuracy even in those times. Aryabhatta introduced the place value system. According to the French mathematician Georges Ifrah, the knowledge of zero was clear in the place value system of Aryabhatta. His book Aryabhattiya is like a literature of mathematics and astronomy. It contains topics like arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry and fractions. Let's know about the people who did extraordinary in the field of literature and music. Kalidasa was a Sanskrit poet and dramatist during the period of the Gupta dynasty. He was the court poet of Chandragupta II. His famous works are Raghuvansha, Kumar Sambhava, Meghaduta and Ritu Sanghara. However, it is famous in India and abroad for his play Abhijan Shakuntala, which has been translated into many Indian and foreign languages. Tansen was a singer and musician during the medieval period. Akbar the Great had 9 gems or Navratnas in his court. Tansen was one of the gems whose music and melodious voice adorned Akbar's court. Tansen's music was a mixture of Indian and Persian styles. He also developed a style of his own. He composed musical tunes for ragas like Rag Malhar and Rag Deepak. Munshi Premchand was a great writer and is regarded as the Shakespeare of our country. His actual name was Dhanpat Rai. Premchand was his pen name. Munshi Premchand wrote both in Hindi and Urdu. His first novel, Asrar-e-Mabid, was published in Awaz-e-Khalq, an Urdu weekly. He is still recognized for his style that always had some social message for the people. Some of his famous works are Seva Sadan, Gaban, Godan and Rangbhumi. Premchand is ranked as one of the finest writers of the 20th century in India. His works have been translated into Russian and other foreign languages. Let's know about some social reformers also. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a social reformer. He worked hard to improve the Indian society during the British period. He found that the serious problem with Indians was that they were not educated. He wanted to improve the lives of the women and the poor. He started a school at Moradabad in 1859. In 1875, he took another step and started a college called the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh. This college was later called the Aligarh Muslim University. Rabindranath Tagore was a great philosopher, poet, writer and musician. He believed that India could progress only through education. He even opened a school in 1901 and called it Shanti Niketan. It exists even today as a Vishwa Bharati University. Tagore composed the national anthem Jan Gan Man. He wrote around 50 books and more than 3,000 poems. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. For more information about history of India, keep watching our channel SRN Knowledge Center. Kindly like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.